Number 12, part A. Find correct to 2 decimal places the value of 4.6 times 5.9 over 6.3 plus 5.1. Just remember when you're doing this one, what's that denominator? Just when you put it in your calculator, just put a bracket around that. That'll protect it. And that will give you the answer of 2.3807. So 2 decimal places, it's this one. So it's 2.38. This one here, we have to rationalize this bit. So that becomes 1 over root 10 minus 3 times root 10 plus 3 over root 10 plus 3. This becomes root 10 plus 3 all over. Now root 10 by root 10 is 10. So it's 10 minus 9. So that's just 1. So this is 3 plus root 10. So A must have been equal to 3 and B must be equal to 1, the coefficient in front of the root 10. Okay, next one, solving this one. So this is 3x minus 1 equals 8, or the negative of this, which is minus 3x plus 1 equals 8. So 3x equals 9, x equals 3, minus 3x equals 7, x equals minus 7 over 3, or if you like, minus 2 1/3. Okay, this one. Take the x across the other side. We'll have 4x minus 3 equals 7x. Take the 4x this way, so minus 3 is equal to 3x. Divide by 3, and we get x is equal to negative 1. This one, put over a common denominator, so we'll have to multiply this one by n plus 1, so that's be 3 over n plus 1, and this one by n, all over n times n plus 1, and that gives me 3n plus 3 plus n over n outside of n plus 1. You don't need to remove those brackets, just leave them as they are. And that gives me 4n plus 3 over n to n plus 1. Right, this one here, removing the brackets. Now you need to be careful with these irrational ones, they can get a bit tricky. So what I'm going to do first outside inside last routine. So multiplying that together, root 2 by root 2 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. Doing the outside ones here, that's going to be just plus 2 root 2. Inside one, minus 3 root 2. And finally the last, minus 2. So that comes out to 4 minus root 2. Okay, moving on. Solving simultaneously. This time, because I've got y as a subject, I'll do a substitution of the second one. So that gives me x plus 3 outside of 2x minus 5 equals 6. X plus 6x minus 15 equals 6. 7x equals 21. X is equal to 3. Now putting that 3 back in this one, we can see that y is equal to 6 minus 5. So y equals 1. X equals 3. Y equals 1. Okay, and finally, this one will take out 2 as a common factor. We get 2 outside of x cubed minus 125. Now 125 is 5 cubed, so it's x cubed minus 5 cubed, which is 2 outside of x minus 5, x squared plus 5x plus 25 from that expansion that you know. Just going over that, the expansion is, remember, x cubed minus y cubed is x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared.